Welcome to Lift the Vibe, where you will find free resources for members to uplift, inform, and get support. Here are your free resources you get with joining our community. 15-minute guided meditation, 6 anger management strategies that work, 4 ways to cultivate mindfulness. What is trauma? How it affects us, and how to release it. How to guide for successful communication. Supportive practices for growth. Chart to naming your emotions. Discover your karmic learnings. How to use color and sound, the levels of evolution, and much more. Lift the Vibe is a community focused on spreading positivity, inspiration, and motivation. It's a place where members can uplift each other, share success stories, and provide support during challenging times. The community aims to create a harmonious environment where everyone can find encouragement and strength to overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. Join our oasis of positive vibes. Here, we embrace all things real, uplifting, heartwarming, and informative. Share your favorite feel-good stories, heartening news, and anything that brings a smile to your face or tears. Let's keep it real and the positivity flowing and support each other's day. Click on the link in the description to get your free information and join our community. See you on the inside.